Hey besties! Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, why does my face look so tired? Or why won't my skin just glow already? Don't worry, I got you. Today, I'm sharing 10 game-changing beauty hacks that will make you look effortlessly beautiful without spending hours on skincare or makeup. And trust me, you do not want to miss the last hack because it's my absolute favorite. Let's get into it. Hack 1. The Ice Water Wake Up Trick. This might sound crazy, but if you wake up feeling puffy or dull, try this. Grab a bowl, fill it with cold water and ice, and dunk your face in for 10 to 15 seconds. It shrinks pores, reduces puffiness, and instantly makes you look refreshed and awake. Your skin will snap back to life. Bonus points if you add green tea or rose water, it's like an instant glow filter for your face. Hack 2. The Overnight Lip Mask for Plump, Soft Lips. You know that feeling when your lips are so dry that even lip balm doesn't help? Not cute. But I got you. Before bed, swipe on a thin layer of honey. It locks in moisture overnight, heals cracked lips, and you wake up with super soft lips. If you want that natural lip plump effect, mix a tiny bit of cinnamon with honey. Just don't overdo it, tingling is normal, but you don't want a spicy lip disaster. Hack 3. The Blush Without Makeup Trick. Imagine this, you wake up late, no time for makeup, but you still want to look fresh and cute. Here's the easiest trick. Slice a beetroot or pomegranate and rub a little juice on your cheeks. This gives you a natural, long-lasting blush that looks like you just came back from a cute picnic. If you have aloe vera gel, mix it with a few drops of beet juice. It gives an instant dewy, glowing skin effect, like you just walked out of a K-drama. Hack 4. The 60-second face massage. We all want that effortlessly sculpted, snatched look, right? Here's how to do it, with your hands. Every night, spend just 60 seconds massaging your face like this. Lift your cheekbones with upward motions. Press lightly under your eyes to depuff. Sculpt your jawline with gentle strokes. Hack 5. The Glass Skin Smoothie. No skincare product will work if your body is screaming for vitamins. Want clear, glowing skin? Start from the inside. Here's my go-to glass skin smoothie recipe. 1 cup mixed berries. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Half a cup Greek yogurt. 1 cup coconut water. If you drink this every morning, your skin will start glowing in a week. Hack 6. Sleep on a silk pillowcase. If you're still sleeping on a rough cotton pillowcase, it's ruining your skin and hair while you sleep. Switch to a silk pillowcase. It reduces frizz and breakage, stops sleep wrinkles, and keeps your skin hydrated and breakout-free. And bonus, it feels so luxurious. Hack 7. Aloe Vera Lash and Brow Growth Trick. Want longer lashes and thicker brows naturally? This hack is so easy. Before bed, apply aloe vera gel on your brows and lashes. It hydrates, strengthens, and boosts growth. It works even faster if you mix it with castor oil. Do this every night, and in a month, your lashes will be longer than your ex's list of excuses. Hack 8. The Perfume Trick. Apply Vaseline on your pulse points before spraying perfume. It locks in the scent for hours, so you smell fresh all day. Apply it on your wrists, behind your ears, collarbone, and inside your elbows for the best results. Bonus hack. Confidence is the ultimate beauty trick. No beauty hack in the world will work if you don't own your glow. Walk with confidence. Love your unique features. Smile. It's the best free glow-up ever. The most beautiful people aren't the ones with the best makeup, they're the ones who know they're beautiful and act like it. Which hack was your favorite? Comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty secrets.